back with another video. So this video is going to be another unboxing video, and we're going to do a credit card review because I looked on YouTube and there is no reviews at all on this credit card. So this video is going to be kind of special because I'll be the first one doing an actual unboxing and a review on this credit card. So this credit card that we're doing today is going to be the US Bank Flex Perks Gold card, and it is through US Bank, but it's also the credit card network is American Express. So before we unbox the credit card, let's do a little breakdown of my credit profile and a little bit of basics about the card. So US Bank, they did pull my Equifax credit profile. My credit score was a 751. I had 11 inquiries. My average age of accounts is 1 year and 6 months. My overall utilization was 23%, and I had 5 accounts already open, and they approved me for $1,000 credit limit. And a little bit of perks about this card: it is a travel card, has an $89 annual fee, and it has 5x points on hotels and car rental, 3x points on restaurants, 2x points on airlines and gas station, and 1x points on everything else. So all your everyday spending. And this does have a nice sign-up bonus. That's one of the reasons why I got this card. After $2,000 spend within 4 months of the account opening, you get 30,000 points, and these points is worth 300 to 450 depending on how you redeem them. So this is also a special offer and cool as well, because most cards don't offer you 4 months. Usually they do 3 months or within 90 days of the account opening, but this has 4 months, so it's an extra month. And right now during this coronavirus time, they may be able to even extend this out for you, and some other credit card companies are extending out their bonus, their sign-up bonus, due to the coronavirus. But that's the sign-up bonus for this card. It has an $89 annual fee. So even subtracting the $89 annual fee from the points that you're gonna get, you're still coming out on a good deal for the sign-up bonus. All right, so now I do want to show you the paper verifying what my credit score was. So right here you can see it says 751 Equifax US Bank right there. So I do want to teach everybody about credit, show you my credit card approvals, and show you my whole background, so that way you can make educated decisions on getting a credit card or applying for different types of credit. So you can see what my credit score was. So that's there, right? So now, unboxing, unveiling of the credit card. I have not opened it at all. So I will open it, and then as I need to, I will cover up my personal information. But let's get into it. So all right, I'm gonna cover that up. Just 1 second. All right, got that right there. US Bank. Got a little brochure right here about the card. Let's see what's on in here. All right, just all your little basic information, everything else. Yeah, they have to send you all that, and then what your interest rate gonna be. All right. So now, opening up what the card actually looks like. So 1 more second, bear with me, and I can show you what it looks like. All right, so I can't show you that part, but there goes some more about the 3x, 2x, 1 points I got right there. $1,000 credit limit. So this is how I gotta take this off. Once I activate it, I'll show y'all again what it looks like. But that's it. Got the American Express logo. It says US Bank Flex Perks Gold right there. So I need to activate the card. And then also what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to download the US Bank app, and then we're going to register my card and everything. I'm going to show y'all how the app looks. So we can go into a little detail about what kind of American Express offers and everything, because you do get the American Express offers with this card. So we are going to look at how the app look. So that's the card right here. I will show y'all how it looked without that on once I activate it. So that's that right there. Now let's go to their website to talk about some additional features that you well, perks that you would get with this card. So right here, if you see this here, we get a TSA pre-check or global entry credit. If you once you pay for it with this card, you get complimentary Wi-Fi. You get the American Express offers and other ways to redeem flex points. So there's a little bit more extra stuff that they give you, perks on the card. And then once I download the app, we'll go in to see what other perks that we're going to be getting with the card. So that's it for right now with this video. So now I'm finna download the app, do everything, and then we'll be right back. So this is everything right here on the breakdown, and then now we're finna go on to the app. All right, so we're back with how the credit card look. It says US Bank right there, Flex Perk Gold. So that's it. And then has the card number, expiration date on the back by American Express, our sponsored American Express. All right, so now we're into the app, and already I have the $85 annual fee posted on it to the account. And I did say 89 in the video, but that was wrong. It's actually 85, and it's already posted on there. Got that about that. Earn gold status, $20 right there. The other thing right there showing the fee, and that's it. App is pretty basic. They don't really have much on here. Then right here we got view accounts, transfer, deposit, and pay, explore products and offers, manage accounts, everything right there. I'm not seeing the option for the American Express offers. I guess I'll see how I find that, but that's it right here. It's pretty much. And then you have an option to find ATMs, but that's it for how the app looks.